Okay, easy now. Get the hook under it. Whoa, that's a big one.
Careful, it's shifting. Watch your step. Yeah. Almost there. Get the next one ready.
Keep the temperature steady at 35 degrees. Okay, I'm watching the flow rate now.
The scales on this one are immaculate.
Wow. Definitely grade A material.
Yeah.
Cargo hold 2. Confirmed temperature set to 12 degrees Celsius. Next pallet ready for transfer.
I prefer the matte python for this piece. Make sure it goes with the beige swatch.
Look at this texture, it's flawless.
And completely sustainable. This changes everything.